We are working on a 2012 Buick Enclave. We are changing out the radio, putting a Kenwood radio. Radio comes out very simple. You just simply use a panel popper. I have it out. Pop this off. Then it should be a 4 7mm screws, and you just simply pull this out. This is one of the easiest one. You can take it out. Disconnect that. And you're gonna need a dash kit. Nexa makes the dash kit. It's a 953305. You need a GM antenna adapter and also a module to enable audio. I am using a Crux. It is SOC GM-18. The module comes with which bows it in? Okay, so if you have a bows and non-bows, you gotta select which one that. And usually ones with bows, on the real, it may say bows. If you don't see that, it's a non-bows. This is the radio we are putting it in. It's a Kenwood. It's a DVD player. It's kind of rare. It's a DVD player. This customer wanted to have a CD or DVD. We're also going to install a backup cam that goes on the license plate. We are connecting the interface harness. Side mount. We are also doing a backup cam. First thing we're going to do is remove this grommet here, and we're going to run the wire through here. I'm going to run the microphone up here, so you have to remove all the everything cover the release that from wire to here. Just put the wires all the way down.
Si vale mandar por acá pero sea.
¿Qué? Sí.
Si él dice que mande por el otro lado.
Por acá. Por cualquier lado. Okay. Let's take this out. Alright, so I'm going to take this motorized shock tower here. Release a little cover here. Take this covering out. Release that. Now you can take the panel out. Just put it back in. The second part we're going to do this. There's clips here. We're going to move down. With this little latch. There's a helpful latch. Release area. Let me go through that once. It's probably okay. Do that. Meet. Two screws. No, we don't need to. No, that shouldn't have anything to do with it. For the plug.
Right, because the wire is gonna be.
Make a hole here, run the wire down, and we're gonna run it alongside of here, go in here, take this out, snake wire down here and run up front. Whenever you make a hole, double check on the part of it, make sure there is nothing there. There's nothing there, so it's okay, I got it.
No, but I cannot do that.
No. More. Got the hole made. We're gonna run the wire through it. Spray some WD-40 to the grommet. It'll make life a lot easier for you guys. Make it slippery. So any silicone spray, WD-40, anything spray. One of those snake. All you have to do is lift up the rubber grommet, pull down carefully. You don't want to crease that. Underneath, there's a big hole there. See the wire harness? That comes out here. That's good. That's good.
More is always better.
You crazy?
Sometimes. When I want to.
Right. Then I gotta run wire through here, coming up here. Tight. Yeah, that's okay. Maybe it's gonna reach.
I told you.
The plastic clip has to come off because that goes on to the rubber gasket here first. And we're gonna grab the reverse light from here for the trigger wire. Here is the white one. Let's see.
What is that calling to?
No?
¿Está en reversa? ¿Segura?
You're not hitting it. How about the black one?
Nada. No, no tengo reversa aquí, man. Tiene un Tesla.
Turned out this actually gives you reverse signal, so you're gonna grab the reverse signal from here, or you can grab it from the back tail light. Tie the power supply for the backup can along with the red wire, which is also connected to the signal from the module that's reverse, and this one is the power right here. And the video, that's it. If you want to use the backup cam, find out which one. I believe this the green one is the reverse light. Whenever you put ground, be sure to scrape off the paint. And this is the ground, we're gonna put it right there. Always put screws on it, just to be sure. Putting everything back together, everything works. This panel obviously goes first because this came out last. Put screws on. put that RCA.
Does that shake up like this?
Maybe it's upside down. Yep. It's not in right. Okay, I'm in.
¿Ah? Ah, ya lo checo. Ahora, aquí estamos.
Yeah, man.
It's okay.
Okay. Beautiful. Go to menu. No, go to setup. Setup. Maybe under display. Demonstration. We're gonna turn that off. System.
Input.
Here. Input. Real cam. Enter. We're gonna have guideline. Turn off.
That's it.
That's it, because the cam has guideline already there.